If you didn't come from a happy home, build one. Stop using your past as an excuse. If you grew up in chaos, pain, or survival mode, that's not your fault. But if you stay there, that's 100% on you. Just because your father failed doesn't give you permission to fail your kids. Repeat the pain, and you become the man you swore you'd never be. Trauma is a reason, not a license. Your children don't care what happened to you. They care what you do for them. Your home is your kingdom. If you didn't inherit one, build one brick by brick with love, structure, and discipline. You know what pain feels like, so why would you hand that pain to your son or your daughter? Break the cycle. The loud arguments, the slamming doors, the silent treatment, that's not just how families are. That's unresolved poison you were raised on. You either pass down the trauma or pass down the tools to heal it. Building a happy home takes more than money. It takes presence, patience, pride, and protecting peace. You weren't given the manual. Fine, write your own. Generational curses aren't broken with prayers alone. They're broken by consistent action, daily accountability, masculine and feminine healing. You can't change your childhood, but you can change theirs. And that's what real power looks like. Build what you didn't get. Be what you never saw. Give what you never received. You've seen what broken homes do. So if you choose to repeat it, that's on you.